Dress up. To wear formal or fancy clothing for a special occasion. She dressed up in a beautiful gown for the wedding. We're going to a fancy restaurant, so let's dress up. Try on. To put on a piece of clothing, to check the fit or appearance. I need to try on these shoes to see if they're comfortable. She tried on several dresses before choosing one for the party. Button up. To fasten clothing using buttons. It's cold outside. Button up your coat. Don't forget to button up your shirt before the interview. Zip up. To close a garment using a zipper. Can you help me zip up my dress? It's chilly. Make sure to zip up your jacket. Tie up. To fasten with a tie or other fastening. He had to tie up his shoelaces before jogging. Can you help me tie up the back of my dress? Take in. To make a piece of clothing smaller by altering it. The dress was too big, so I had to take it in. I need to take in these pants. They're too loose. Let out. To make clothing larger by releasing seams. If the jacket is too tight, we can let it out a bit. She had to let out the waist of her skirt after gaining weight. Do up. To fasten or close, often used for buttons, zippers, etc. Can you help me do up the buttons on my shirt? She struggled to do up the zipper on her boots. Show off. To display or exhibit, especially in terms of clothing or appearance. She likes to show off her new jewelry at parties. He couldn't resist showing off his stylish new coat. Throw on. To put on quickly and without much thought. I'll just throw on a sweater before we go out. She threw on some jeans and a t-shirt for a quick errand. Hang up. To put clothes on a hanger. Hang up your coat in the closet. She always hangs up her clothes after doing laundry. Put on. To wear clothing. Don't forget to put on your jacket, it's cold outside. I put on my favorite dress for the party. Take off. To remove clothing. It's hot in here. I need to take off my sweater. Take off your shoes before entering the house. Slip on. To put on quickly and easily. She slipped on her shoes and ran out the door. Can you slip on your jacket? We're running late. Fold up. To neatly fold clothing. Fold up your clothes and put them in the drawer. He quickly folded up the shirt before packing it in the suitcase.